If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speed. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or CPU resources can cause lag. Check your task manager to identify and close these applications. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance, especially if your hardware is not high-end. Look for settings related to resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix bugs. Check for updates regularly to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for gaming. Enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic and consider changing the channel on your Wi-Fi network to reduce interference. Additionally, ensure that your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the game. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in lag spikes while playing EAFC 25. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.